What's going on, guys? All right, welcome to the first episode. I'm gonna be starting to film me rebuilding my new to me car here. So this is a 1983 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Picked this thing up here local this last weekend. Decided, you know what? Why not start filming a little bit, throw it up on YouTube, and see if I can get any interest. So started doing a little work here. I've already started wrenching a little bit. Got the battery charger on it. Ripping out some seats right now. I've got the amp and subs and everything that were in the rear all pulled out. And I'm going to be stripping the carpet. And I definitely have to replace some floor pans in the front there. Looks like we got some rust down here. You kind of see through to the garage there. But this is the car, guys. T-tops. Pretty sweet car. I'm pretty happy with it so far. Obviously, I know I got a lot of work to do. We got to do a headliner. We got to paint the car. We got to get it running. But for the most part, everything's there. The car is pretty solid overall. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try filming some videos throughout the process. See if I can get some interest. If you guys want to see everything from start to finish, like my videos, let me know, subscribe, comment. If this isn't what you want to see, well, move on to something else. Go watch another video. But yeah, I'll start filming and add some more into this. What's going on, guys? All right, back in the garage. Yesterday, I tore apart the center console and got a lot of stuff out of the car. I didn't film it because it was a little late at night. Didn't have my camera with me. But I'm back out here again today. So I'm going to go ahead, set up the GoPro, do a little time lapse today, what I'm working on. Ripped out all the interior paneling all the way around the back. Seats are officially out. Got the hardware for the seat belts out. Took the top of the console, center console off here, glove box. Got all the wiring and everything disconnected. And just starting to pull everything. I want to go ahead and pull the whole console and then rip out all the carpet. Figure out what we need to do carpet wise. So, you guys over to the GoPro and get after it. Alright, GoPro decided it didn't want to record. So, I got the center console out here. Let's go ahead. Whole console's out. Parking brake's disconnected. That was the hardest part, trying to get that parking brake through the console. I figured out, I'll just take the bolts out. So now it's time to start ripping out all the carpet. Go ahead and put on a face mask, put on some gloves, get a knife, start cutting away. I will set up the GoPro, should be working now, and switch you guys over there so you can watch. Well, guys, I'm no scientist, but I'd say you're not supposed to be able to see your shoes through the car. You know, so definitely gotta do floor pans. That's pretty bad. Decent in the rear. I think we can grind that down and save that, but we're definitely gonna have to do all this here. Passenger side, definitely not as bad. Might be saved. No, up in the front there. It's pretty bad. So we're just gonna do both sides. We're gonna have to cut all this out. Do it all. I think we can leave the center of the tub. Cut up high past the rust line. Probably have to cut up into here. So yeah, that's where I got today. Got a lot of work ahead of me. So definitely like my video, comment, subscribe, share it, all that fun stuff. I don't know what to say. It's my first video. Anybody has any advice on this car or what I should do to it, how to go about it? I've never done floor pans before. It's gonna be my first time. I don't even own a welder right now, but I'm gonna go get one. I bet you that. Anyways, cool. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good day. Peace.